Take deep and calm breaths. This is your own time where you can be just as you are without having a need to change anything. You only have to focus on how your breathing feels right here and right now. See to it that you're sitting or laying down comfortably, and that you're not going to be disturbed. This is your time where you can relax and just focus on how your breathing feels. So begin examining how it feels while breathing in. Follow the breath and feel how your stomach, your chest expands while breathing in. And notice how your stomach and chest collapses while breathing out. Just examine how it feels to breathe in and how it feels to breathe out. How does your breathing feel today? What sensations do you feel in your body and mind while breathing in? And what sensations do you feel in your body and mind while breathing out? You don't have to change anything. There's no goal. Just examine, be curious about what happens in your body when breathing in and breathing out. And just examining what happens inside yourself. You're now going to focus your attention towards sounds. Just notice what sounds you're hearing without judging, just listening and see what happens with your mind while listening. Use the sounds as an anchoring point. And remember to take deep, slow and calm breaths. Good. Now return to focus on how your breathing feels in this moment. Examine how every breath in makes you feel and how every breath out makes your body and mind feel. Take a few extra deep breaths in order to waken your body up and preparing to return to awake state again. Good. You're now ready to continue your day. A bit more present, a bit more calm. Stay focused, stay wild, stay curious, and be mindful. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.